Fall in Florida doesn't mean what it means for the rest of the country.
Fall in Florida is hurricane season.
Hurricanes are something that I have dealt with my entire life here in these swamps.
And this year, it hit us where it hurts. For weeks, the ranch has been underwater, and unfortunately what it's done is it's run the deer off, but brought the hogs in.
You know, I was working real hard to get the deer population up and keep the hogs beat back, and I was doing a great job until Hurricane Ian showed up.
So now, we're gonna get back out here and see if we can't beat those hogs back one more time.
I'm shooting the first big hog I see.
Look at that big old rascal there.
Last light, last night, getting it done.
Got that same hog and that same doe out underneath the feeder right now. If that doe feeds off and that hog stays, I'm gonna go ahead and take him. I gotta get rid of some of these hogs, so we'll see. Well, it's time to put him down. That's one dead hog right there, boy. That makes me happy.
Man, I love the smell of this gunpowder.
I guarantee we're having more fun than Brian right now.
You know, Billy's really only good at a few things. Cooking ribs, cooking steak, riding a tractor, and killing hogs. But other than that boy needs some help.
Man, I love it when they fall right where you shoot them. Whew, what a hog. Good Lord, look at the cutters on him. Is a big boar hog right there. Well, I can tell you honestly, I am very glad to get this big old boy out of the herd. He's been tempting me really bad. He won't do it no more, I can promise you that. Last night I got a call from my buddy Bobby, and he said he's got a couple of spots opened up to where we can go back in the marsh and get a couple gators. All right, we're back out on the lake. I got 2 county tags. We're gonna go back in the marsh. We're gonna fill these tags in one night.
We're gonna call first.
Call first and then run and gun later.
Night. Let's get after it,
Let's
brother.
get it done.
Come on. This is the part of Florida that only country boys get to see. This is home.
baby gator sound right now. And any of these big male gators, or if there's a female in here, they're gonna come rushing in. They'll rush right up to the side of the boat. It's super exciting during the daytime to see them coming through the cattails. So we'll just keep going spot to spot and keep calling. They'll come blasting up at us and we'll be in good shape. Then you just determine how big they are, and you shoot them. Oh yeah, here he goes. He's coming out. He's coming out. He's right there. Get ready, Brian. He just popped out. He's coming right there. See him moving? He's coming.
Here he is. There he is. Shoot him!
Hit him again, Billy.
Where is he?
I got it. Hit him again, Billy. Anybody got him? Reel in. I don't need to know if either one of you got him.
Nope.
Reel in.
I'm trying.
God dang it.
Reload if you can.
I thought you got him.
He was right here.
I didn't see the grass move anywhere.
No.
He might be up here, but I think he's right here in this trail.
This don't make sense.
He's gone. Let's go get another one.
You think so?
Oh yeah. I don't know.
How the heck
It's not
did...
but a foot deep right there, and the alligator's a nice alligator, so I don't know where he went. Oh, he's not the only alligator here.
That was a good one though.
I got the worst hearing here, and I heard him, so you guys know what to listen for now.
Calling these gators in gets intense, and this is a great way to hunt.
On to the next spot. Moving again. We're gonna burn this place down till we find what we're looking for.
We got a good one coming right here. He's coming right in. He's coming quick. He's gonna come right to the boat. Shoot it. You think so?
Missed him. Stand up. Stand up.
Shoot just to the left of that.
Shoot him right in the back.
Oh hell, he's a good gator.
I told you.
That's a good gator.
You made me hesitate, Billy.
We got a 6-footer. Beautiful, came in just like we'd hoped he'd do.
That's
Nice
crazy.
job, baby.
He's as big as he's gonna get.
He's as big as he's gonna get, but I hit him, but he didn't do nothing. You know, I've shot a lot of gators, and they always go crazy when you hit one. We hit this thing twice, and he didn't move until the second shot.
Be careful. There you go. Where you wanna?
All right, bring it right there, stop.
Right there, perfect. That's nice.
You guys are good.
You good?
Climb all the way up there. Son? Tail. He's 7-footer.
7-footer. Wow, I can't believe I thumped him like that.
You did.
And he didn't move.
That was intense. One down, one to go.
All right, what are we about to do, B. Ryan?
All right, we just shot a nice gator, called it up. Now it's about to get dark and we're gonna just run and gun, We're gonna shine, look for red eyes, and make a judgment call. We got one more tag to fill, and we gotta get it done tonight.
Y'all sit back down.
There you go. That's what we're gonna do. What do you think, Brian?
I think.
Ooh. That's a good one. 6. He's under the boat. He went under the boat.
Here we go. Keep looking. Gotta go back the other way a little bit.
Shot under him, shoot! I got him. Golly bum. You ain't got him. He's right there though. He's still there. I got him. I got him. I got him. I got him. Pull up to the edge of the trees. Oh, I got him. I see him right there. If you want to bang him, here, get the light on him. You got to go back behind that head there. That's a pretty damn good gator. Oh, he's a good gator. Oh, phew. I can't believe that just happened.
Way to
Man,
close the night, dude.
That was crazy. Running and gunning,
That's it.
calling them in. Both these gators are about the same size.
Fun night, man.
Good night. We did it one night.
Yep. Let's go kill some
Go
deer
kill
and hogs.
Deer and hogs now. All right.
Hogs to our right coming in. All right, we finally got hogs to come out. We had a big hog to our left early before he got light. I think that was a big boar hog. That's a big boar hog. The big gray hog's coming out, but just wait. The big sow, the gray sow. Double up right there. That's all we want to shoot. The gray one. I'm gonna double up. I'm hoping we just shot 2 hogs. That's what we're waiting for. And look, when you got a chance to double up, you gotta take it. These hogs have infested this property right now, so we'll give it a minute here, go up there and look.
We smoked that first hog and went back and looked at the footage, and it's a clean miss of that second hog. I have no idea how he didn't anchor that second pig. We're gonna need some help dragging this big old girl out of the swamp. This is a big, nasty black sow. And this is exactly what we want to shoot, because these hogs are just breeding and reproducing, and we got to get a handle on these hogs. But we'll get her out of here and we'll get back after it. Not enough time for all the action, so stay tuned for part 2 when one of those bucks shows up on the camera.